Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. We've got a glitch to talk about, plus we have exclusive coupons. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead and talk about these exclusive coupons. Now, not all accounts receive these coupons, but make sure that y'all double check, and also make sure that you sign into the website and see if they show up there, because sometimes DG is a little bit weird and not all of their digital coupons show up on the DG app. So for this first coupon, it's a 5-off one for the Downy or Gain scent beads. The Downy scent beads are priced at $10.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. If you want to pick up the Gain scent beads, those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10.95. Alright, next up we have a $3.75 off one digital coupon for the Downy or Gain scent beads. Now, this one is only attaching to the Gain scent beads. They're priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Alright, next up we have a $3.50 off one digital coupon for the scent beads. This one is working on the Downy scent beads that are priced at $6.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. Alright, next up we've got a $2.25 off one for the scent beads. So if you want to pick up the Gain, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. If you want to pick up the Downy scent beads, those start out at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And then we also have this $1.75 off one digital coupon for the scent beads. And unfortunately, I can't get this to attach to anything in the app, so we'll definitely have to go into the store and scan a few products to see if we can get this coupon to work. But you guys, let me know down in the comment section below which exclusive coupons did you receive on your account. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And of course, go ahead and clip your 525 for Saturday. Now, I do want to go ahead and give y'all a quick heads up that some of these items have went up in price since the last time that we had coupons for them. So for example, we have the 2 off 2 for the Aussie hair care products. Those are now $4 each, so after the coupon you're going to pay $6 for 2. They used to start out at $3 each, so just be mindful of that. And as I always say, whenever you guys go into DG, make sure you have your correct store location set in your DG app, and always scan the items to price check before you go up to the register. Alright, next up we've got a one-off one for the Cottonelle. So if you want to pick up the 4-count mega rolls, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. There's that 6 off 2 for the Febreze. Up we have a 2 off 1 for the finished product. Now you guys keep in mind we do have some lower value coupons on our accounts. If you guys have not used those already, we have a 150 off 1. I believe we have a couple of them, in fact. So just keep that in mind, that the lower value coupons typically come off first before the higher value ones will. So 2 off 1 for the finished products. If you want to pick up the 12-count power dishwasher tablets, those are priced at $3.85. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. If you want to pick up the 12-count quantum dishwasher tablets, those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Gold Bond lotion. So if you want to pick up the 5.5 ounces, those are priced at $5.40. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.40. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Scott paper towels, 6-count. So these are now priced at $6.50. Can y'all believe that? A $1.50 difference in what these were priced at just a few months ago. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. The good news is that we also have some instant savings this week on Scott products. So you're going to instantly save $3 at the register when you spend $16. Next up, we have 50 cents off one for the hefty trash bags. So these are priced at $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.45. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Suave, Tresemme, and Vaseline products. So this works on a ton of different items. We also have insert manufacturer coupons that you guys can pair up with this store coupon. So make sure that you stick around for the good deals and glitch list video. I'm going to try to have that one up Tuesday morning, so be on the lookout for that. The lowest priced item that I found with this was on the Suave hand soaps, priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Suave deodorants, the 1.2 ounces. They're priced at $1.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 35 cents. So that is a really good filler item for Saturday. Next up, 2 off 1 for the L'Oreal Paris skincare products. So these are priced at $11.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.45. We have a 1 off 1 for the Dentney Moore beef stew. These are priced at $3.20. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.20. We also have a $5.90 off 2 for the Downy scent beads. So these are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $16 for 2, which is not a bad deal, but keep in mind we do have that higher value coupon. It's a 5 off 1. Next up, 1 off 3 for the Kleenex. So these are priced at $1.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.85 for 3. But keep in mind that we do have Kleenex in the dollar aisle for $1. So that's a little bit cheaper if you want to go that route. Moving on down, we did receive a new gain coupon, and it is a 5 off 30. If you received anything different, please let me know down in the comment section below. That one does expire on the 25th, so it looks like we're going to have that one for a couple of weeks. We have a 1 off 1 for the Scott bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 6 count, they're priced at $3.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. If you want to pick up the 12 count, they're priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And keep in mind, again, we have that instant savings for $3 off when you spend $16. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Febreze Unstoppable products. So you can pick up the sprays, I believe there's wax melts, as well as the small spaces. Those start out at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. And this coupon is also working on the Febreze 1 count car clips, the Whispering Wood Scent and the Evening Wood Scent. Those are priced at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Next up, 3 off 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. So these are priced at $4.25. So those have went up as well. They used to be $3.50. So picking up 2 using this coupon, plus we also have a 1 off 1 DG store coupon that you can stack with it. After both of those are applied, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. Moving on down, we have a 6 off 1 for the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. Now, here's one we need to talk about because I know that you guys are going to be seeing some other deals out there this week. So these are normally priced at $12 now. They have went up in price as well. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. We do have one that is the Happiness Scent. Those are currently at 10% off. So they're priced at $10.80. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.80. The reason why I wanted to stop right here and kind of chit chat with y'all for just a quick second is because I know that a lot of people are starting to see those 10% off POG clearance stickers go up at their store. All right. Now, typically when we start seeing those stickers, everybody starts gearing up for a clearance event. However, with some of these items, you're going to start seeing coupon matchups for them. I bet you anything you're going to see this specific coupon matchup in other people's videos, posted on Instagram, Facebook, all over the place this week. And I'm going to bet that some people will include them in with their 5 off $25 scenarios. However, while $4.80 is a really good deal, I just want you guys to keep in mind that that clearance event is right around the corner. We do not have an exact date yet, but this coupon doesn't expire until March the 11th. So we literally have almost a full month with this coupon. Now, if you guys go out and buy up all the Airwick Happiness Essential Mist kits this week, next week, and the next week, and then we have a clearance event 4 weeks from now, you guys are not going to have any products on your shelves to buy. And with this coupon and that clearance event, this item is going to be priced at $5.40. So with this coupon, that would make it completely free, plus possibly give you some overage if you still have the older registers at your store. So I just wanted to kind of mention that to you all because I know I have been seeing over the past few weeks some other people that are like, go ahead and buy these products at 10% off and use your coupon. You might want to wait a week or two and see if that clearance event rolls around, especially on products like this where we have the coupon for a full month. All right, so it's pretty likely that we will have a clearance event between now and when this coupon expires. All right, now jumping back into our coupon matchups, we have a 1 off 1 for the Bounce dryer sheets 50 count. Those are priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We have a 3 off 1 for the Dreft laundry detergent. Those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. We have a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis. So again, these start out at $3.50 if you can find the shampoos or the conditioners. So pick up 2 of those. We also have that 1 off 1 DG store coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3 for 2. A 3 off 1 for the Gain fabric softener. So you can pick up these at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. Moving on down, we have 50 cents off one for the Pepperoni dog treat. So these are priced at $2.65. We have this 50 cent off one manufacturer, plus we have a 1 off 1 DG store coupon. So that's going to be paying $1.15. Moving on, we have a 1 off 1 for the Tide. So these are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And then we also have this 3 off 1 for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. This is on the larger bottles. I believe those are priced at $9.95. It wasn't pulling up for me in the app. But if that's the case, after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.95. But again, just make sure that y'all are scanning these items before you go up to the register to price check and to make sure that those digital coupons are attaching. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but make sure that y'all stick around because I will have the new Dollar General clearance markdowns and penny list video coming up next. And my little buddy Nacho here wanted me to remind you all that if you haven't done it already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below before you go. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.